Hello and welcome everyone. This is Elecrama 2023 and we are at the stall of ABC Transformers Private Limited. We are having with us Mr. Nirmal Goyal, who is managing director of the company and who can give us some more insight about what they are demonstrating at this year's Elecrama show. So sir, please give us insight about your product and its technical details.
हम ABC ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स के अंदर मेनली ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स बनाते हैं। ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स जो कि बहुत एनर्जी एफिशिएंट्स होते हैं और एनर्जी को बचाते हैं। हम साथ में वोल्टेज स्टेबलाइजर्स भी बनाते हैं जो कि सर्वो वोल्टेज स्टेबलाइजर्स होते हैं और साथ में सर्किट ब्रेकर्स प्लस वोल्टेज HTAVR, ऑन लोड टैप चेंजर्स, ये सारी हमारी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है जो कि हम इंडिया में तथा इंडिया के बाहर भी देते हैं। हम नेपाल में, बाकी कंट्रीज़ में, जॉर्डन है हमारे जो सप्लायर, हम जो देते हैं ट्रांसफार्मर जॉर्डन के अंदर, इथोपिया के अंदर, काफ़ी कंट्रीज़ के अंदर हमारे कंटिन्यूस ट्रांसफार्मर्स जाते हैं। हम एक्सपोर्ट के साथ साथ इंडिया के अंदर भी पूरे तरीके से देते हैं। राइट फ्रॉम कश्मीर टू मिजोरम हमारे अभी ट्रांसफार्मर्स जा रहे हैं।
We are also having with us Mr. Amil. He's the next generation entrepreneur and representing ABC Transformers Private Limited. So he could also give us his thoughts on how this Elecrama being one of the best platform for the electronic industry. So please give us insight.
Well, Elecrama is one of the biggest platforms that there is for the electrical industry, and it's organized by EMA, which is the premium institution in India for electrical items. So apart from the new customers that we gather here, we get to see a lot of new technology, and even for an exhibitor like us, being up to date on new technology and getting new vendor base is a huge opportunity. Apart from that, it again consolidates the presence in the customer's mind, in the vendor's mind, that yes, the company is doing well and they're there. So yes, these kinds of events give us a huge platform.
Yeah. And of course, I would like to add one more question to it. What are your future plans for your company? If you could just elaborate on this.
So like we say, like Mr. Modi says, we have our pan-India presence and we're already exporting to about 22 countries. So our next aim is to go to North America and venturing to North American markets. That's our next step.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you.